how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the iconic Stevie Ray Vaughan blues sound. At the root of Stevie Ray Vaughan's playing is the Stratocaster, and for his lead sound, he always seemed to go after that fourth pickup position, right? Where you're combining the middle and the neck. Now, really in his playing, he used mainly, the blues pentatonic scale. But what he did differently than most other guys is he would throw in the 9 and the minor 9, okay? So in this lick today, this is the lick. Right, something like that. We're just in E minor pentatonic, right? Now, our E minor blues scale, and all we're doing is we're using this repeating lick. It's pretty common blues lick, but what Stevie Ray Vaughan that kind of makes it his own sound is throwing in, right? So get the 9, the flat 9, and then to the 8 or the 1. And that really just sets apart a sound. In my opinion, when I think Stevie Ray Vaughan, I always think, just normal pentatonic. Gotta throw in that minor 9 and the 9. Right? It really just sets the sound apart. As well as having a Strat in the fourth pickup position. Alright, so let's get into this lick. We're gonna be starting on the G string here, 14th fret. Classic blues lick here. Go. Right, so we go. We're gonna bend that up a whole step from the 14th fret, whole step up. Then we're gonna have a bar with our index finger on the 12th fret playing the B string and the E string. Go. Right. Now, what we're gonna do differently is we're gonna alternate bends. We're gonna go bend on the G string first. And then this next time, bend on the B string 15th fret, a whole step up. Right, and that pattern's a little different though. We still hold this bar right here, but when I bent the G string up, I went B string, high E string. Now when I bend this on the 15th fret of the B string, I go E string to B string, right? Right, and then I like to throw in at the very end there a bend on the high E string 15th fret, and then we go. Right, so we just loop that. Right, and this is where the 9 and the flat 9 come in. So we go. And you can just loop that as many times as you want. I'm just gonna play through them one time right now, though. Right. Now all that I'm doing is I get. So it's a 15th fret, I bend up. 12th fret of the high E and the B. Then I go back to the high E 14th fret and I go, I pick it, downstroke, then I upstroke the 13th fret and then pull off to the 12th. That's all it is, right? And then back descending the pentatonic scale, right? Right, just throwing in. And there's different variations of this. You can go, which is how I do it in this lick, but you can go. So that's where you pick 14, 12, hammer on, 13, pull off. Right? But it's really just choosing that pentatonic scale and then throwing in the 9 and the flat 9 to the 1. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That's super cool. It's a very simple idea, but it has really cool sound, and you can use it in rock, blues. You can use it in some country as well, and it's just a great thing that you can throw into different patterns. I'll throw this in like in further positions of the pentatonic scale. Here's the root position of like E minor, right? But if we're up here, we can do it up here as well. it's not gonna be 9 flat 9 anymore. So we actually 5 flat 5. So I'll do like. Right, super cool idea. It's very simple, but it's very useful. If you're interested in learning this kind of stuff one-on-one with me, I offer Skype lessons. You can DM me or email me at JordanMSteeleMusic@gmail.com, and we'll get everything set up. All right, I'll see you guys soon.